mwa tubine chai gento kya nyasali nsoko uru ekawa we are going to make sure to have a proper mechanism yo controls ko uru no enso ko uru yendo ta tumanga kyo kobogoli ekawa kuruga ego chiaralia actually in my budget age and God willing in my second term we are putting all security apparatus technologically to make sure again to kendige korugusiga iga etuma etengento no enega alige tubire the way we do scanning Mombasa all our major roads chigosoka korugusi we must make sure to amanyire ngakeke merige korugai is an a heavy investment but it is worth it ekiaira oboibi oboitira abalimi baitu probably going forward what I'm doing will invest in it and I cannot every last mangikirani to answer na mangana itanga niyo koranga chigal chigos revenue yetu chigal chigoso kanchiri cheche so that sako teye godungaina eta ni mega to answer go sivito ta toronga every item onye monta bwati gasi tigato mwegasi akole there are so many things lakini te ko bene gasi no ko ibira abantu into wanchira